nila, why will you insist on building condominium? Dahil kikita ka doon sa contractor ng condominium.
Yes, it is 2,600 a month, so not 4,000
pesos. Do you think
pesos.
the poor can afford 2,600 a month when they're earning only below 500 a day?
Amortization
How much
subsidy
is the
in partnership
amortization?
sa LGUs.
Kasi ang amortization, pag lupa lang ang binigay mo, 500 pesos a month. Yan ang experience namin sa Las Piñas. Now, pag condominium, magkano?
1,500 pesos a month. That's where this comes in, Mr. President.
Hindi nila ma-afford eh.
Yun
That's
yung,
the problem.
Yun po.
Why will you insist on building them condominiums when you can distribute the land to them 500 a month lang? Ang babayaran nila. Why will you insist on building condominium? Dahil kikita ka doon sa contractor ng condominium na may porsyento ka doon, kaya pinag-i-insist mo yung condominium. O
Actually,
bakit nyo ini-insist ang condominium? Payag naman yung mahihirap na i-distribute na lang yung land sa kanila, and that's 500 a month.
kahit alin sa mga...
Ano gagamitin mo sa condominium kung yung lang land lang na murang-mura hindi mo magawa? Anong model yun sa condominium? You will say that it will be financed by the private sector.
Yes, Madam,
Ang problema,
Mr.
igagaranti
President.
din ng government yan. Di parang government din ang gumasta dyan. This is on the ground. Kaya ako nagsasalita, I'm hearing it in the ground. Napaalisin sila dahil pinangangakuan sila ng condominium. Tapos tinanong ko, how will you pay for the condominium? Ang sabi nyo, mag-uutang sa Pag-ibig. Pag hindi sila napasa sa Pag-ibig, hindi sila pwedeng bumili ng condominium. O where will they go?
Mr. Secretary, may problema po tayo sa Las Piñas. So, paano po natin
will not solve the
tutugunan yung
problem
problema?
of the poor. They cannot afford the condominium. I'm telling you. Kasi I know how to build condominium, so I know that they cannot afford that.
Guarantee ay yung mismong informal settlers na nandun sa isang
Hindi
lupa.
nga sila ko-qualify eh. Kasi wala silang income na gano'n that can afford to pay for the amortization of the condominium. Let's be practical. They cannot afford that. Mga ano lang yan eh, tricycle driver. Mga nagtitinda sa palengke. Hindi naman everyday continuous ang income nila. Wala naman magsa-certify sa income nila, napapasa sa Pag-ibig. Alam kung mag-process sa Pag-ibig, there should be a certification of your income. Who will certify for the tricycle driver and the nagtitinda sa palengke?
Mr. President.
Kasi ako rin, nagpo-process kami sa Pag-ibig. Kami nga, nagda-down pa sa amin ng ang laki-laki, bumabagsak pa rin sa Pag-ibig. Nire-refund namin yung down payment kasi they cannot qualify.
Masama po ang CMP. Pati po, yes,
we can approach government financing institution to buy the land, and then the people will pay amortization for the land.
halos wala ding...
yes.
Yes, Mr. President.
The senators would want you to manifest in writing that the people, the poor and the homeless will have an option to choose whether they want a condominium or a CMP program.